Welcome to HODAXIN. Now let's show you about the machine, how to adjust the size. This is XR housing frame. Okay, and this is the XR joint. We already choose it. We select the joint and select fair. We find this group and separate the group. It with the two size number. The bigger one and the small one. The bigger one it is for the outer line. The small one it is for the inner one. Okay, we can see the red light. The red light, the bigger line, it is too smaller, a little smaller. We need to marking a little bigger, so we need to adjust the joint a little bigger. X it is mean left and right. The Y it is mean top and down. It's 145, and we need to adjust bigger, so make it as 146. We try. Okay, apply. Then the line it will be bigger than before. We will see it is bigger than before. Okay, we can see it still needs to be bigger. We will adjust again for the X. X it control the right and the left side, so 147 we apply. And I want to show you about this lock. Okay, we unlock it. If we unlock it, then X exit, then it will be not change the Y exit. Okay, let's see. If we lock it, if we change the X number, then the Y number will change by itself. It will change by itself. So we unlock it. Unlock it, we change the X, so the Y will not change. Okay, you see? We lock it, then change. The Y also will change. Okay, we apply. So when you need adjusting the X number, or so you need to unlock it. Okay. Okay, red light again, F1. So we can see it is being bigger than before. Left side seems okay, but right side it is bigger. So now we can use the keyboard to adjust it. Make it a little left. Use the keyboard to control it left. Okay, we move it. This is outer line. Outer line can make it bigger. Okay, now we see the inner line. We will see the inner size. From the right side, we can see the inner line. It's a bit little right, and the left line it may be similar. So we will adjust by keyboard. We make it a little left, moving left whole line. Okay, use the keyboard. It is mean we can use the keyboard top down, left, right to control the size, control the place. After we adjust where, we select the whole joint again. We feel it back. Okay, then again, red lights and we marking. So it's marking. After you saving this joint, then in future, it is this correct size. Thank you.